Hello everybody, this is Eric from chestyshop.com and this is the Secret Locktober chesty key. And I'm going to solder this part. I'm going to show you this part over here. I just manufactured the heart-shaped pendant, and I'm going to solder this part for the dangling heart. So that's a very small part to solder. And it's very dangerous because I can melt almost everything over here. And what I'm using this very small micro flame. It's very small, very hot, 3200 degrees Celsius. So a very hot piece, and I'm going to heat it very locally. So over there. Got my silver solder over here. It's this little dot, and it's going to melt right here. Almost. That's it. Let me show you. Now the pendant eye is soldered right below. See? It's dangling.